This will be called Prophecy Bible 2, because this is the second time we will be reviewing this Holy Bible, the Prophecy Study Edition, New King James Version, which I started before. Now, once you're through with all the Bible text, and you're in the back of it, you come to a concordance. The concordance is not as thorough or as full as some, but it is pretty good. But then you come to what's unique. And it's done by the author of much of this. His name is Doug Batchelor. D-O-U-G, first name, B-A-T-C-H-E-L-O-R, last name. And you can find him on YouTube also. But what he does, he calls this Amazing Facts. Now that is one of the things that he does in here, and is the ultimate resource in the Bible. So what you will see when you go there after the concordance is the beginning of his work on what is unique about this Bible itself. So when you go through here, it's all about the Bible, the Word of Christ, how to read the Bible, food for the soul, the work of proven things, and then you've got things like messianic events in the Old and New Testament, both together, right there. And then he goes through all of this, and it's quite thorough before you actually come then to the what's called Amazing Facts. In this section on Amazing Facts, you will notice that there are 17, notice on the bottom, 17 amazing facts, and that's the page number to go to each one. Now, when you go to one of them, is there anything left you can trust? What does the Bible claim about itself? Then it gives you all the scripture and an answer. So this is a question and answer section all the way through on these amazing topics. So you can go through each one of these topics on either page, and you will find it's a question and answer section all the way through. And what's interesting about this, though, is it gives you all of the authors in these books, all of the scripture, and all of the answers to any of these questions. And it goes all the way through, along with extra things. For example, prophecy, Old Testament scripture, and New Testament's fulfilled. For example, on this page, which you can see right there. And this goes all the way through, and it's a very long section. But what's interesting about it is the way the Bible is translated, how to translate it, how to read it in context. And it's very thorough about reading the Bible in context as well, rather than taking one verse at a time and not understanding it that way. Then once you're through with all of this section, which is quite long, you come to a section of some very excellent maps in the back. So this Bible, called the Holy Bible, Prophecy Study Edition, New King James Version, is very interesting and very worthwhile. I thought you would enjoy this. This will be called Prophecy Bible 2.